Now next one, students, different type of adventitious root. So different types of adventitious root, again definition is adventitious means the roots that is developed other than the radical is known as adventitious root. Now for the normal adventitious root there is a three types: fibrous root, foliar root and true adventitious root. In case of fibrous root, example is sweet, that is roots are developed from the base of the stem. Okay, so example is sweet. In case of the foliar root, example is bryophyllum, from leaf. That is in case of bryophyllum leaf, this part is known as notch. So from this part, new plantlets develops with a small roots. Example is bryophyllum. Then true adventitious root, money plant, from node and internode. So from nodal portion, roots are developed. The money plant. So in case of the normal function, three types, that is fibrous root, foliar root and true adventitious root. Now in case of the other functions, what are the other functions? For the storage of food, for the mechanical support and for the vital function. Now let me explain for the storage of food. For the storage of food, these are of, first one is tuberous root. It has become soline due to the storage but irregular in shape. Example is sweet potato. Then fasciculated roots. Number of tuberous root, this is tuberous root, when they are together, fasciculated, clustered, that's a fasciculated root. Dahlia example. Moniliform roots. Momordica example. Soline at the regular, these are the soline part at the regular intervals. Okay, so it is moniliform root. Nodulous root, same way moniliform roots, but the soline part at the end of the tip. Momordica, nodulous root. Annulated root, some ring-like structure is present. Soline part is present, regular interval. Example is ipecac. So in case of, for the storage of the food, tuberous root, sweet potato, fasciculated root, dahlia, moniliform root, momordica, and nodulous root, mango ginger, annulated root, ipecac. Now next one, student, that is adventitious root for mechanical support. Three types are there. One is prop root. So some vertical downward branches. So from the branches some roots develop. Example is banyan. Okay, and in case of the stilt root, in case of the stilt root, that is from the basal node some roots are developed. Example is maize. And in case of the climbing root, so plant is a climber. So from nodes and internodes some roots are developed and it helps in climbing. Now the last type of adventitious root for the vital function. So first one is floating root. So these are the some root actually, but they helps in floating. Jassia, spongy root. Next one is epiphytic root. In case of epiphytic root, that is the orchid. In epiphytic root, some roots are present. This one is also root, this one is also root. But these are the hanging root. Actually, it absorbs the moisture from environment. That's why it is known as hygroscopic root or epiphytic root. Next one is assimilatory root. In case of assimilatory root, they are green and photosynthetic. Though they are green in color, so in case of trepa, these roots are green in color and so helps in photosynthesis. These are known as assimilatory root. Then hastureal root or the parasitic root, they suck food from the host plant. This one is host plant. So these are the some sucker. With the help, that sucker will actually, they enter that sucker into the body of the host and they draw the nutrition from the host body. That is why it is known as hastureal root, that suck food. So students, this is all about the root. Now you have to draw the flow chart as a whole. Whatever the flow chart I have given to you, so you have to draw separately each one, and at the last you have to draw the flow chart as a whole for the roots. So that one is a taproot system. So taproot, what is taproot? You know about that. For modification, fusiform, napiform, conical, tuberous, then pneumatophore and nodulous. Next one is adventitious root, normal one, normal function of adventitious root, fibrous root, foliar root and true adventitious root. Then modified, for the modification for storage, tuberous, fasciculated, moniliform, nodulous, annulated root. For the, that is mechanical support, prop root, stilt root, climbing root. And for the vital function, floating, epiphytic, assimilatory, hastoria. So Holt's, that is flow chart you have to draw, but before that you have to remember the name with example and diagram also.